you're watching Food Whims and Whimsy, and I'm Carmen Tbsp. Today I'm going to show you how to make potato croquettes using leftover homemade mashed potatoes. Before we begin, let's go over the ingredients. So this is about 3 cups of homemade mashed potatoes, simply made with a little butter, milk, salt, and pepper. We're also going to be using 2 eggs, some seasoned breadcrumbs, some grated cheese, some garlic and shallots, some scallions, chives, and parsley, and salt and pepper. We're going to start by just warming up a pan, and this is a very small step, but it's very important to kind of warm up the onions and the scallions just to give it that nice flavor and mellow out the bitterness of the garlic and the pungency of the garlic. Plus it adds a little caramelization. So I wouldn't skip this step. I think it really is important. So let that tenderize a bit. It doesn't have to have much color on it, just a little. And that's just going to go for about a minute or 2. I add a little bit of salt, just for flavor, and maybe a little pepper. There we go. Take that off after a few minutes and put it right in this bowl. So to the same bowl, I'm going to add the mashed potatoes. Right in there. I'm also going to add the scallions. You know, just eyeball it. The chives, some parsley, and a lot of grated cheese. I'm also going to just season it up a little bit with salt, even though the mashed potatoes were already seasoned, and some black pepper. I'm just going to give this a good mix. So once you get it nicely mixed, you're going to chill this for just until you can get a nice form on it. We're going to try for about 20 minutes. Also, in variation, you can add all kinds of different ingredients to this. You can add bacon, you can add ham, you can add cheddar cheese. You know, make it your own. Everyone loves these. It's great for parties. It's great for just a side dish. So go ahead and enjoy doing that. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and put this in the fridge. So these just came out of the fridge. It's been about 20 minutes, and they're cool enough to form. So what you want to do is you want to take about a tablespoon, a heaping tablespoon, and just kind of form it into a cylinder shape, just using your hand, like the ridge of your hand here. And you make a bunch of little guys like this until the next process. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. I want to try to make it all pretty much the same size, if you can. There we go. So now that the potato croquettes have been formed, I'm going to go ahead and throw them back in the refrigerator for another 15-20 minutes. So it's been 20 minutes. I took them out of the refrigerator. So now it's much easier to form and go on to the next step, which is going to be to roll them in the egg and then into breadcrumbs, and then we're going to just set them aside for a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and crack my eggs. Okay, so the eggs are ready to go. And now I'm just going to take one of these, and they're nice and firm now, so I'm going to go ahead and roll it in the egg. And then the next step would just be to put it right in the breadcrumbs. Always trying to keep one hand wet and one hand dry. And I'm going to go ahead and do these to all the rest. So now that the potato croquettes have been rolled in egg and breadcrumbs, the next process would be to fry them. And I'm just using vegetable oil here. We'll just make sure the oil is hot enough. It is, has a nice little sizzle. And just for safety reasons, I always like to put it on some kind of slotted spoon or tool like that. And just put them all in. I'll probably be able to put about 3 or 4 at a time here. And once they get into the oil, you want to kind of move them around very gingerly until they're golden brown. So these look like they're ready to go, so I'm going to go ahead and take them off. Put them right on that wire rack. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and take the last 3 out. Let them cool a little bit, and then they'll be ready to serve. So these are done. Oh my God, let's try these. They're nice and soft inside. Thank you for watching Food Whims and Whimsy. I'm Carmen Tbsp. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.